Metaphysical Books, Part 6.1, The Little Money Bible, The 10 Laws of Abundance, by Stuart Wilde.
Okay, so they wanted me to show some of this book. Now, one thing I love about this book is that it not only gives the 10 laws of abundance as he describes them, but also the metaphysics behind them and the action to take. So this is in the section of the action. Use your feeling to differentiate between vague yearnings of the ego and your deep, innermost desires and needs. In this way, you will eliminate blocks and highlight any contradictions that may exist. For example, many would like to become millionaires, but subconsciously they know that making millions often takes a lot of effort, and with that comes a lot of stress. So intellectually they would like millions, but their inner truth is different. In effect, their subconscious protects them from something that sounds good to the ego, but would actually be a living nightmare. Looking at the distance between you and money teaches you things. Perhaps all you really need is a bit more money and a bit more security. Now, it may seem an odd thing to say, but you can't get security by earning money. Earning money involves activity, and all activity burns energy, so eventually that energy burnout makes you insecure. Low energy equals fear, high energy equals security. Here we go, keep it rocky, keep it rolling on the next page. The only way you can increase security is to nurture yourself. All insecurity comes from the fear of collapse, the collapse of a situation, of your life, a business, whatever. So if you need more security, work on your body, be kind to yourself, sleep more, rest, hang out in nature, and do nice things for yourself. No amount of money in the world can make you secure. Of course, you can combine hard work with self-care, but you have to work at it. I was having dinner with Deepak Chopra recently. He's a successful author and lecturer, constantly jetting around the world, yet he maintains balance by finding time to work out no matter where he is and by maintaining a very healthy diet. He told me that every 3 months he takes 5 days off on his own. He goes somewhere remote, like a desert, and stays there in silence. No phones, no people, nothing but him and silence. It's a brilliant idea. He rebuilds his energy by pulling back. And then he's ready to zip around for another 3 months. Get in touch with who you are. See which motivations are real and which ones come from just the intellect and ego. Perhaps you don't really need the aggravation of piles and piles of activity and responsibility. Perhaps all you need is a carefree life with some good creativity, loads of friends, and plenty of fun and games. In the end, you must both take care of the inner spiritual self and satisfy the many needs of the outer self. It's a balancing act, like everything is a balancing act.